We Muslims, we give excuses for not reading the translation of the Quran, saying we are very busy in our studies, we are busy in our profession, we are busy in our business. Most of us, we have spent decades reading and memorizing volumes of books in schools and colleges as well as universities, just to acquire a degree. Don't we have the time to read the message of our Creator Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? How much time does it take to read the Quran? Our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, it's a Sahih Hadith in Tirmidhi, where he said that anyone who reads the Quran in less than 3 days, he has not understood the Quran. That means if we read the Quran with concentration, it will minimum take a person 3 days, minimum. If you read a bit slowly, it may take 5 days. If you read one juz, one part a day, it will take you 1 month to read the Quran.